Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan your route to a particular location on the Maps.me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the first option, and now type in your destination into the search bar and select the appropriate one from these results. Now click on the route to option down below. Then you need to add your location, which is the first section, so type it in, or you can either use the my location function. And then you should choose from the means of transportation that you would like to use. So click on the relevant one. As you can see, there is the time and estimated distance indicated here. So click on the start button and then accept. So then you will be able to see the planned route and the navigation information. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.